Okay, so this automation is applicable to anybody who is receiving 50 to 100 emails every day. Some of the emails may be asking the exact same question, or sometimes you just need some help with the amount of emails you have and crafting a response. So let's jump in, and we're going to send a test email from Gmail. Hi, can you tell me about Highridge AI Consulting? So we will send that. Let's jump back into the automation. On screen, what we have here is Outlook. So the email will come into the main account here at Highridge. The large language model will review the body and craft a response. And then we will see the response pushed into our drafts in Outlook. So you can actually get the AI or the model to fully respond and push the email out, but it's good to have a human in the loop review as well. So let's just run things here and go into, we should see a draft coming up here. All right, there you go. So let's correspond the time, 16:13, yeah, 4:13. Let's see what we got. So in this case, what we have is, hi, thank you for reaching out and you're interested in Highridge AI Consulting. We're Vancouver-based that specializes in AI automation solutions for businesses. So you get this and you get more. You can add in your booking link here as well, as long with your signature. So this is just a simple way to respond to all those emails and try and clear your inbox. And it also enables you to put any finishing touches on any of the emails that you have. So yeah, this is a great automation we built. We also build more. So if you have ideas, get in touch, contact me through LinkedIn or any of the other social